Our topic today is European mathematics, and the content of this topic is all about the brief explanation of European mathematics and the mathematician that helped to develop mathematics in Europe. The first one is we go to the brief explanation of European Society or European Mathematics Society. European Mathematics Society is the learned association for the Europe mathematician. And now we go to the mathematician that helped to develop mathematics in Europe. First, we go to Boethius and his quadrennium. Boethius have a famous work called The Consolation of Philosophy, and also his work is Quadrennium. Quadrennium have 4 subjects or arts, namely arithmetic, geometry, music, and astronomy. Boethius also known as a famous senator in Roman. And the second mathematician is Nicomacheus introduced the arithmetic to the Europe. He have a big contribution about the mathematics of Europe. He introduced arithmetic sequence, a sequence of numbers such the difference between the consecutive terms in constantly. Example is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. And the consecutive number or the number between of the two digit is 2, because 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 5 is plus 2 is equal to 7. So the consecutive or the constant is number 2. Next one is Leonardo Pisano Bigoglio, or known as Fibonacci. Fibonacci have contributed also to European mathematics because he bring Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers in which the next number is calculated by adding the previous 2 numbers. Trivia: aside from 144 being the only square Fibonacci number, it is also the 12th Fibonacci number. Note that 12 is the square root of 144, and also he bring the golden ratio concatenate in the prime, and the golden ratio is 1618033. Next mathematician that have contributed in European mathematics is Thomas Bardwardine. He asserts that an arithmetic increase in velocity corresponds with a geometry increase with the original ratio of the first 2 resists. And the famous work of Thomas Bardwardine is in his time is Way of Treatise of Grace and Free Will, entitled by Dick Cassidy, 1344. And the next mathematician that have contributed on European mathematics is Nicole Oresme, also known Nicolas Oresme. Nicolas Oresme is in the proportionibus or also known on the ratio of ratios. Oresme first examined rising rational numbers to rational powers before extending his work to include irrational powers. And that's the contribution of Nicolas Oresme in European mathematics. And now we go to the last mathematician that have contributed in European mathematics, or the one mathematician that helped mathematics to improve in the Europe. And the last mathematician that contribute to develop mathematics in Europe is Giovanni di Casali. Giovanni di Casali, he published a book called De Velocitate Motus Alterarius this, also known on the velocity of the motion of the alternation, in 1346, which was later received in Venice in 1505. And that's all the topic about European mathematics. And I learned that European mathematics have 6 people that have to introduce mathematics in Europeans. And I learned that every mathematician have a big contribution in the mathematics history. So we need to tackle it as major in mathematics. We need to learn that, to know more about the mathematics history. And I'm Pia, your presenter for today. Thank you, and I hope you learn a lot, or you know about the topic I discussed. And sorry for some audio that because I am the farm. I'm living in the farm, so like some sounds that not indicated in the video.